Hello. In this brief demonstration, I'll guide you through the Cusna user interface, showcasing the dashboard and the end user experience. Currently, you're viewing the MSP account, which offers a dedicated view for partners and value-added resellers. It enables you to manage multiple organizations by either clicking on the menu or using the Manage button to gain control over a specific organization account. This particular account is empty, except for some demo mock data that is automatically generated for new accounts. The initial step is to establish the connection between Cusna and the access network. By clicking here, you'll directly access the integration page, where you can effortlessly select a Wi-Fi vendor. For this demonstration, we'll be using Juniper Mist. In this case, you'll need to enter an access token. Once entered, you'll obtain the list of organizations available. Additionally, for Mist, you have the option to choose between organization level and site level PSKs. For the purpose of this demo, we'll be utilizing the site level PSKs. The subsequent step would involve integrating an external user management system to facilitate frictionless self-onboarding flows for authorized end users. However, in this demo, we'll skip this step and instead explore the manual onboarding option, where users can be created directly from the dashboard. Before getting started, there are some general account options that need to be configured on the General Settings page. The first option pertains to the ability to assign VLANs to the accounts. Here, you can decide whether the default behavior should be manual or automatic assignment. The following setting enables the Groups feature, which allows you to group accounts together for simplified bulk management operations. Optionally, you can also place group members on the same virtual network, isolating them from the traffic of other users and teams. The roaming option addresses situations where users need to connect to different sites using the same Wi-Fi passphrase. If you're using VLANs, this setting ensures that each team or user has a unique VLAN assigned across the entire network. There are other options available on this page that allow you to customize specific behaviors of the Wi-Fi portal. The Wi-Fi portal serves as a page where users can access their personal Wi-Fi passphrase. You can decide whether to allow them to change this passphrase or not. Lastly, the organization section includes compliance details, such as the privacy policy. As the controller and owner of the data, it is crucial to inform users about their data privacy rights. You can also modify branding preferences for your organization, including the logo and accent color used in all user-facing interfaces. Once the general settings are finalized, you can begin by creating your first location. Creating a location is a simple process. You just need to provide a name and address, and optionally activate a location manager who can handle user account provisioning for one or multiple locations. Next, you need to link this location to the equivalent entity in the Wi-Fi management system. In the case of Juniper Mist, this artifact is referred to as a site. You can select a site and then choose an available SSID from that site. Additionally, you have the option to further localize the Wi-Fi portal content specific to this location. This includes adding an info box and a welcome message. Once you save this location, you'll receive a unique URL that can be distributed to the users of this location, enabling them to autonomously access their Wi-Fi passphrase. The next step involves creating an account. In this demo, we'll be manually creating accounts and utilizing groups. To start, we'll create a group associated with this location. We'll assign it a name and manually assign a VLAN. This ensures that all members of the group will be tagged with the same VLAN. Additionally, if a stop date is configured, all accounts belonging to this group will be automatically terminated on that date. Finally, we can create an account. First, we select the location we just created. Then, we can choose from different types of accounts. The distinction between them mainly lies in the provisioning data and the requirement to manually define a Wi-Fi passphrase for non-human accounts. For this demo, we'll use the group member option. We'll select the previously created group and provide some reference details, including an email address. Since this account is a member of a group with an already set stop date, we cannot force a different stop date. However, we can schedule the activation of this account in the future, for example, if it is a team member who will start in a few weeks. For now, we'll create the account and activate it immediately. As soon as you click, Cusna initiates the configuration in the Wi-Fi system. Initially, you'll see a pending state, which will soon transition to the active status. This account has been assigned the VLAN 2010, which is the VLAN assigned to the related group. If you click on this member, you'll see that it's now active and you can modify its details. The badge displays the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect to and the personal Wi-Fi passphrase. When the account is created, the user receives an invitation email with instructions to access the Wi-Fi portal. The welcome email provides a link to the Wi-Fi portal. When the user clicks on it, they'll reach the login page. At Cusna, we don't utilize accounts with passwords. Instead, we employ passwordless authentication methods. Therefore, the user simply needs to enter their email address. If the user exists in Cusna, they'll receive a magic link that, once clicked, logs them directly into the Wi-Fi portal. During the first login, the user needs to acknowledge the privacy policy and the terms of use if they are configured. Once acknowledged, they'll be directed to a screen displaying their personal Wi-Fi passphrase and the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect to. The user has the option to change their Wi-Fi passphrase, and the system ensures that it doesn't overlap with any existing passphrases. Optionally, there may be an info box on the screen, which we configured earlier for this location. Finally, let's also check directly in the Juniper Mist platform to verify if the Wi-Fi account has been provisioned. We'll select the corresponding location, refresh the page, and there we have it, the passphrase of this user, which has been created with VLAN 2010. Alright, let's return to the dashboard now. You'll notice there is one active user out of a total of 2, one being the default mock data. Here, you can also view all the activity logs for everything happening in your Cusna account. To learn how to streamline user provisioning, be sure to check out our other videos related to the integration with external user management systems, including co-working platforms and cloud identity providers. Thank you for watching.